Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is December 12th, Saturday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets before diving into Ripple, XRP, USD, and see what has changed since yesterday. Today, I'll be sharing with you my bullish and bearish case scenario as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future. You should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below, but I will get to them a lot faster that way. Now, see what exactly is going on in the markets first. We do have quite a bit of gains in the markets today, quite a bit of coins bouncing back, including Bitcoin. Let's take a look into Bitcoin dominance and see what exactly is going on, because this could tell me if money is flowing into Bitcoin, altcoins, or neither. We do have Bitcoin dominance up about 0.65%. Now it's above 64%, and I do think that the price action now, it's looking more convincing that it's going to actually close on top of those immediate resistances I've been talking about, which is the daily 50 and the weekly 50 simple moving averages. If we actually get a close on top of those immediate resistances, it's looking a lot more likely that Bitcoin dominance is going to trend upwards in the near future. That may not be good for trading altcoins as much as if Bitcoin dominance was to trend downwards. Okay, so now Bitcoin price action itself is actually staying intact within that rising wedge pattern for now, for what it seems. If Bitcoin price action continues to trend and range within that pattern, I think that could present some good opportunities for trading altcoins, as long as it does not pull back like it did for the past 2 weeks and including earlier this week. Okay, now let's take a look into XRP and see what exactly has gone on since yesterday. Yesterday, I did mention that if the daily 21 simple moving average does not get too far away from the price action, there is still a shot that the price action may break out of the symmetrical triangle pattern. However, if we do look at the price action now, we are at about negative 11%, and we're pretty far away from that daily 21 simple moving average, which was what I was expecting to be the catalyst of the breakout if it does break out. Now, the price action is about 50 cents, and we are looking at a widened, adjusted symmetrical triangle pattern for that pullback we had last night, almost as down to about 48 cents. Okay, so now we have a bigger symmetrical triangle pattern, and the apex of the symmetrical triangle pattern now is delayed, which would be now December 21st compared to December 19th yesterday. If the price action was to break out of this symmetrical triangle pattern at the apex, the price target would be about 80 cents. Okay, that is theory only, may or may not be reached. Now let's take a look into a few other scenarios, because the price action is still at a possible breaking point and could possibly invalidate the symmetrical triangle pattern. As you guys can see, the price action is very close to the bottom trend line, and if it actually does break the bottom trend line, I don't think there is another way to actually adjust the bottom trend line so it actually stays intact as a symmetrical triangle pattern. Let me explain why. Because the last major support I am seeing right now underneath the bottom trend line and the price action is the 4-hour 200 simple moving average, currently about 47.5 cents. Okay, if the price action breaks this 4-hour 200 simple moving average, the next line of major support will be the fib level right here at about 43 cents. And that is pretty in line with the, I think, the fast approaching daily 50 simple moving average. I think by the time price action, if it actually does break out of the symmetrical triangle pattern to the downside, I think that's where 43 cents, I think that's where the daily 50 simple moving average may be or above. If price action does actually break the 4-hour 200 and gets down there, then this will actually start looking more like a falling wedge pattern, which could take price action lower, okay, before actually reversing if it does. With that said, let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenario. The bullish case scenario would, of course, for the price action to stay within the symmetrical triangle pattern and does not break this 4-hour 200 simple moving average. Okay, if it does actually break it, I think that's bad news, at least in the short term. Okay, so bullish case scenario, let me reiterate, if the price action does not break the 4-hour 200 simple moving average, have the symmetrical triangle pattern stay intact. Bearish case scenario, of course, if the price action breaks below the 4-hour 200 simple moving average, the next major support I am looking at would be this fib level right here at about 43 cents, and possibly by that time the daily 50 simple moving average would have caught up to the fib level or above. Now, these are my two scenarios for today for XRP. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know if you guys did. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.